Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Thunder TV on Fire Stick, right? So it's really easy thing to do. So let's go one by one here, and the method is really long. That's why I will just ask you to follow this video till the end. Now the very first thing is that Thunder TV is not free, so you have to purchase it. So this is a website. Let me take you to this website here, right? And you can just try for one day, and there's a pricing, $9 for monthly, $60 for yearly, and there are different benefits here. So what you have to do once you buy your subscription, turn on your Fire Stick and go to the home screen, navigate to the top of your screen and click on setting option. From the settings menu, select My Fire TV or device. Next, select developer option, turn on apps from unknown sources because this is really important. And if you're doing for the first time, definitely you won't be able to see these, developer option. That's why you have to just go and click on about section 7 to 8 times to turn on the developer option. Then just go and turn on your apps from unknown sources and click on turn on the confirmation prompt. Return to the home screen and click on the search icon in the top left corner here. Type downloader in the search bar and select the downloader app from the search result. Click the downloader app button to install, and this is a link here. So once the app is installed, launch it and type the following URL to download IPTV SmartOS Pro here, right? So this is a link, you can always copy this up, right? And once you do this, click on go and wait. So as you can see here, this link will start downloading SmartOS APKs. We have to install this. After downloads is complete, click on install and wait for the installation process to finish. Once the installation is complete, click on done to exit the installation screen. Once IPTV Smarter application is installed, open it and click on add a user, then click on login with Extreme Code API option. Right now here you have to just go and enter your Extreme Code API, right? Basically it will be username and password and server URL are provided in the email you receive after purchasing your Thunder TV subscription, and click on add user button. Now once you add it, right here you should now be logged in IPTV SmartOS and able to access it and enjoy. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment box and subscribe.